In this video, we're going over how you can add crossplay friends here within Battlefield 6. Before we dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But if you want to go ahead and add crossplay friends here in Battlefield 6, begin by opening up EA Connect. You can actually do this from the home menu right here. If you actually look at the right side of your screen over here, you're going to see which buttons open up EA Connect on your platform. Right now I'm on PC, it's just going to be this little envelope icon, so go ahead and select that to actually open it up. Now from here, you're going to want to go ahead and go to the player search section. This is going to be on this top menu here. Simply go ahead and select it. And then what you're going to want to go ahead and do is actually enter in your friend's name. You can either search using their EA ID or their platform ID. It's completely up to you what you use. Just using their EA ID is recommended just because it is usually easier to find them. After you search them up, simply hover over their name and you'll see an add friend option. Go ahead and click it to send them a friend request, and then after they do accept, they will be on your friends list. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.